बच्चे का रोल रोल रोल।
Okay, so I'm glad to attend the exhibition held by Saira. She's done a fabulous job. She's dragged in lovely brands. All the brands are worth visit, and the deals what I got here were really good. And I wish her best of luck for her future exhibitions, and keep doing this and keep supporting women empowerment.
Inshallah,
keep supporting
inshallah,
small
always.
business, and inshallah you go way ahead in life.
Amin, amin, inshallah. Jazakallah. Thank you. A small token of love.
Hannah spontaneous.
Herbalist make the herbalist make the. हाँ वही वही.
Just make sure when you're covering the face, just point to the back.
1,000.
हाँ 1,000.
ये
That we can help.
नहीं नहीं हम लोग खड़े थे क्यों में लेकिन तो पहले लग रहा कि कलर्स आर सो नाइस लेकिन पतले हो गए एक हफ्ते के साथ ऑल शेड्स करेंगे क्यों पूरे कलर्स सो फोटो किया ना तुमने? थैंक यू। सारा सुपारी वाला नमाज मैंने सब चीज़ में थैंक यू सो मच। अच्छा दिखाई We are here with Queen Abayas today, and she has a lovely collection out here, as you can see, and the pricing is also very nice. They are here with High Street exhibitions to hope to see everyone here. They're there till tonight, so catch on the best deals in the town. Thank you so much. Now we are here with Queen Abayas. Now they have a lovely. She has a lovely collection of abayas here. Everything out here at High Street exhibition is really nice. Hope to see. And she is exhibiting with High Street exhibitions. I've seen up close her workmanship and karigari, and it's beautiful. Somebody who's a designer herself is, I very rarely do like somebody's work, but this is really stunning. The detailing, the finishing, everything. Just look at the fall of the dress, it's so beautiful. Sarah, turn it around. Oh wow. Just look at the back also. It's stunning. It's genuinely very stunning. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ruhi. Genuinely very good. They have got a lovely variety here today. As you know, her stuff is really amazing. Thank you so much, Farah, for giving this beautiful gift here. But the variety that you can see is all the favorite stuff of hers are here today. She's there at High Street exhibition. So all those who want to buy down live, please do come here. Thank you. Thank you. And what is this? This is the cup.
This is a cup and there's a sample for viewers.
Okay. Got tea here. They're going to give me my cup of the day. I'm going to try something out. This is really exciting and interesting. Oh wow. As I've told them, I'm a tea fan. So if you don't give me food, I'm fine. But you've got to give me tea. Oh wow, it's fantastic. It's really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is somebody whom I had to review for a very long time. But this is amazing. It's left me speechless. Now, as you can see, I'm holding these. These are something so beautiful. Can you put it back there and show me how it is put? These are tie, what do you call them? Tie bands. Tie bands. Oh wow. And these are for your curtains. Just look at them. It's so beautiful. Something so new, unique. Exceptional. Oh wow, it's fantastic. The color combination. So for your curtains also you sorted out here. But something new, it's beautiful. It's stunning. Now she has here a variety of pillowcases here also, as you can see her design. Bedspreads also. Can you show me one or two? Oh wow, this is also beautiful. These are your sets, the bed sheets, and you can mix and match it with the pillows that you want. Now what she also has here is pillow sets. Just look at this for your bridal collection with tissue boxes covers also. Oh wow. Just look at the variety this girl has, is amazing. It's beautiful. And the finishing, everything is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. What is the pricing of this? Basically pricing of this is 2,200 and above. Now with Ramzan approaching, I think this is a person that you should really get in touch with. They have these lovely cotton kurtas here. Look at the detailing. The fabric is also very nice. Oh wow, it's fantastic. So you've sorted everybody out for Ramzan. So they know where they have to go to. Shubham Collections. Thank you so much. It's a brand which has got a lovely quality of fabric, and the pricing is also superb. This is around 2,000, 2,500. These suits are there for. And it's got a pant, it's got a kurta. Just look at the detailing, 2,500 and above. But it's beautiful. It's fantastic. Thank you so much. I got dressed only for Saira. Okay. Okay. Yes. Assalamu alaikum. We are with Saira, representing the High Street exhibition here, and she is with the fellow exhibitor here, which is Mashal. Now Mashal has these lovely cotton suits. As you can see, the colors print. Oh wow. I'm a cotton person. Yeah, I'm a cotton person. I feel it. Everybody knows me, only sees me mostly in cotton. So the pricing is also really good, as you can see. It's a complete set at 3,500. Now the quality is really, really good. They have the best brands here from Sapphire, J Fred, everything here. They're just here for today at High Street Exhibition at Sahil Hotel with none other than Saira. Thank you so much. Here at Diverse Collection, as you can see, she has a lovely variety of unstitched salwars with half side open, with lovely printed dupattas. She has got anarkalis here also. As you can see, her pricing is really nice. The collection is also beautiful. Oh wow! Just look at it. This is really stunning. As you see at high-end exhibitions here, collections like this. So hope to see all of you here at High Street Exhibition. Thank you so much.
वीडियो लेके नहीं
Can you see the gold one? Yeah, this one. This is so stunning. See this banner? Yeah. And then go on to this. Okay, we are back here with one of our favorite brands, Faze. Okay, Faze. Now Faze is here with a lovely collection of headbands, as you can see back again. Now these are the belts. Oh wow. Just look at it. It looks so stunning. Beautiful. Now last time I had fallen in love with their mask, and I see everybody wearing them. So those who haven't bought it should be here at High Street Exhibition at Sahil to buy this beautiful collection here. Now she has lovely accessories, earrings also. See these clutches. And this one. It's beautiful. Look at the detailing, the finishing. Everything here is fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you. DM collection. I think with every passing day they are improving the collection, and they are here with something very beautiful here. Look at this organza set. How much is it priced for? 27.50. Now that's the range I wouldn't want to miss. So all those who haven't yet visited High Street Exhibition, please do be there today, because this is lovely. I just love it. Look at the borders, the sleeves, the cuff, the dupatta, everything is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. So generally it is very here with HGR collection. As you can see, they have lovely designer bed sheets also here. Look at the quality and the finishing. The pricing is good, I hope. Yes. Yeah, they are here with very good prices just for today at High Street Exhibitions. They also have Pakistani kurtis and accessories here also. So hope to see everyone. Thank you so much. Collection there has been brought specially here to India from Turkey. Just look at the children's wear. It's so pretty. The detailing, everything, the color combination. It is fantastic. I just love it. Oh wow, just look at this. This is so beautiful. And they have a large variety here, as you can see. They have in boys also, and they have for girls also. These are all boys wear, but this is lovely. This is so smart, like a shawl type of dupatta. Totally, I'm in love with it. The collection is very nice. The fabric is breathable, because with summer coming, children need something that is soft. As I'm feeling it, it's really nice and soft. The embroidery is also not hard also. Thank you so much. It's lovely. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Wait. Okay. Aapka haath aa raha hai? Sorry. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Veterans pattern is here with us at High Street Exhibition. As you can see, they have a large variety of bed sheets here. No, I love their collection a lot. You can see as bridal also is there, with a lot of weddings happening around. So as you can see, yes, come here. See. Beautiful wedding collection sets are there. These are the comforters, these are the wedding bed sheet set. You can look at it. They even have cotton here. Now, I really love their collection, their design, their print. Everything is really nice. To hope to see everyone. Thank you so much. But it is genuinely very good. It is genuinely very good. Okay. In the start. आराम से कर। Thank you. I'll be back. Once I come back, whatever I need. We are here at High Street. 2990 onwards of London collection. Just look at this. The color.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आपको कुछ कार्ड रहेगा तो विजिटिंग कार्ड
I'm not planning actually. मैं मंगवाती हूँ ऑफिस से. We have a unit at Masgon. There we make all.
मैम एक सेकंड
भेज दिए
ठीक है, I'll take later only then.
ट्रायल रूम पे बंद है देख ले शाम को हो रहा है तो शाम को जाते हैं तो अच्छे से भी हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत ले। उसको बोला अभी तो कुछ रहेगा विजुअल लेके रखना, शाम को प्रोफाइल मारते हैं।
Off Carter Road. I'm into clothing as well. So I customize for weddings as well. I do casuals. I've got casuals only over here. But I do wedding pieces as well.
तो वीडियो भी कर रही हूँ मैं।
बढ़ नहीं सकता है
Problem is I won't carry perfume.
हाँ वो भी चाहिए
यहाँ पर पेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, लिंक कॉपी कर फिर यहाँ पर पेस्ट करेंगे।
मैं बोलूँगी उस गेम में बनाना
स्कैंडल है बड़ा मत भरो फूल है
मतलब लिंक वाला कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दो।
समझ मीटिंग थी फिर उसके पहले मम्मी ने मंडे को जाके यहाँ से परमिशन क्या लीजिए
डॉट इन पे तो डॉट कॉम पे डॉट इन में पहुंच गई इन पे, लेकिन वो जो थी ना, हाँ वो हैम पर बता।
डॉक्टर भी आएंगे। वही ना।